Welcome back to the Pause Video Time. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can strip plus concatenate or combine two videos in Python. So let's get started. First thing you need to do is hit install MoviePy. After you boot up your Windows PowerShell or your terminal or your command prompts, whichever one you're using, click enter after that and you will get a much more longer message or much more shorter message than this thing. Alright. Then the next thing you have to do is MoviePy import everything. Then after that, what you need to do is have this clip is equal to a video file clip, and that clip is hi.mp4. Now, just so you know that the video file clip, this one, the one we just used, it can contain OGVs, MP4, MPG, AVI, MOV, and one thing it is missing is MPGs. And yeah, you can read this if you want. It has a lot, but if you are very lazy and don't have the time, you can just skip it. Then clip underscore cut is equal to clip or a subclip. I'm making a subclip out of it. So, two parentheses. Now, what is going to be in here is that first we're going to be putting in a minute. So 0 minute for each. So 0 minute, 0 minute. Then after that, second. So my high MP4 is around 13 seconds. Just for some videos. So let's say the 4th second to the 10th second. Yeah. And then after that, result is equal to, actually we don't need to do that. We just put flip underscore cut dot write video file and cut dot 34. And if we run this, okay, we have this done. So cut.mp4. So we have the cut.mp4. Good job. This is the video I'm going to be using for trimming. Yeah, I was very good about that video. So what did it do? It just cut it out and then put it together. That's what it did. So at the end, I will show you a little bit in depth of this process. So be careful for him. Now let's create another clip and call it video file clip. I call it by.mp4. Very original. Now the next thing we need to do is clip underscore combine to be equal to concatenate video clips. Now let's clip 1. Yep. And then right after that, just remember that the resolution of each video should be the same, or else the second video would be very glitchy. So after you're done with that, clip underscore combine right video. So we need it like that. Please just show us a tiny bit of the process. So you can see that we got this, and then just mixing both of them together. This is my audio file, and we got it. So combined 24 seconds. Hi everybody, it's me, the punch with the time. This is going to be the video I'm going to be using for trimming. So yeah. This is hello everyone. This is going to be so this is the video, and then after that, let's just go back. So what did it do? You were seeing the audio, right? So what this does, let me just put. So what MoviePy actually does is that the first thing takes takes the default clips, so the videos. After it takes the videos, it actually combines the videos. Combines the videos. Then it extracts. Extraction happens. Extraction of the audio. Why does it do that? So that so it does that so that the audio does not mess up. Because a lot of tools they usually a little bit mess up the audio. And then what MoviePy did to do this is that when it is doing the process, it first only takes out the video, does what it wants to do, then after that does the same thing with the audio, then after that it mixes them together, then so that we know that it is going to be great. That's how the audio does not get messed up when you use MoviePy. That's why when you go and look through YouTube, MoviePy that's why the best option is because of its quality. It doesn't mess up with the quality. You can do more with MoviePy. Plus that the audio is the main thing of the video. It does not mess up. So I hope you understand this. Hope you like this video. Please like, subscribe. Till next time, the punch with the time.